Good morning, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. We just woke up. We slept in, number one, because that bed and those pillows are amazing. They feel like we are sleeping on a cloud. It's that good. And second of all, it's just like a staycation. Bianca has made us our Nespressos. We missed breakfast. It's going on lunchtime. We're gonna finish getting ready, head downstairs because the Waldorf has invited us poolside for a private cabana. And then we have a massage later. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. I currently have the GoPro going for a really nice time lapse, but it ended up being a little bit warmer than what the weather forecast had said. I believe 62 degrees right now. So still Florida cold, as there's still nobody by the pool at the moment as we're about to head down there. I just can't get over the wonderful smell that this resort has throughout, and also how quiet this resort is. On the way to the pool here on the ground level, I wanted to point out the fitness center is right here, and then Bull and Bear, and then you have the pool entrance. And here we are. We have made it to our private cabana. I know I showed you guys this a little bit yesterday, but just a quick little tour. You have 2 lounge chairs with towels. Look at the towels. Has the Waldorf logo on there. You get your own TV. You have some more towels. The menu is completely digital. You have a locker for your personal items. And then next to it, you have your refrigerator with drinks already in there. And then you have a trash, you have a nice couch, you have a Bianca, hey babe, table, another chair. Dang, this is pretty dang awesome. And also you have a fan in the cabana as well. One of our poolside attendants brought over some strawberry and mint infused water to start out. We just ordered our lunch here inside of our cabana. I am about to hit 100K any second. I believe last time I checked, I was 5 away. I made a quick little Instagram post this morning, and I think that really helped. Truly, from the bottom of my heart, before I hit 100K, I just want to say thank you so much. I'm talking to you, because I always say, without you guys watching, I would not exist. This channel would not exist. I never thought I would even think about saying I hit 100K. Never. 100K was so far off in the future. I was happy to get 10K, and here I am almost at 100. So thank you. Our lunch has arrived. I went with the New York pepperoni pizza, and Bianca went with the bacon cheeseburger with the bacon and stuff on the side. And then we also ordered the wings. And for dessert, we got a key lime pie in this really cool plastic jar. And then also, I believe we have a fruit plate coming, but we have a spa appointment coming up, so I think we have to take the fruit plate back to the room. Here's a quick look at our fruit plates, but like I said, we have to take them back up to the room, so they put them to go. We just made it back to the room. We're gonna head back downstairs and enjoy our spa day. And the fun thing about this is one of the select few spas that have reopened in the Orlando area because of the current pandemic. So that's really good to note. But I'm going to go ahead and leave this camera here, switch over to the GoPro just to make things a little bit easier for me to film. And they did give me permission to film a few clips. We have made it down to the spa. We just checked in, and our host brought us to our own personal room, and this is like our personal lounge area because we have a few different things we are doing for the spa treatment. I love this. This is beautiful. Of course, they have physical distancing going on in here. There's Bianca. I am so excited for this.
Me too.
We need this.
I know. It's been a tough year.
It has. I think we all need a spa day.
Some type of relaxation.
Yes.
So I'm excited.
And like I had mentioned, this is one of the select few spas that have reopened in the Central Florida area. We are now in our couples suite. We have 2 massage beds, Look at this. Very relaxing and beautiful. We both have separate closets where we can put our stuff. I know it's a little dark in here, it's very dim, but we have a robe here. Oh yeah, you guys can't really see it. These are the salt hot stones, I believe. We have a mirror. Hey guys. And now I'm gonna change and enjoy this massage. Oh my goodness, we just got done with our couples massage. I believe it was called the Himalayan hot stone massage for an hour. It was absolutely amazing. The beds were heated. Wow. But now I believe we have a salt room for an hour. I'm looking forward to that. All right, we just made it to our salt room. How lovely is this? You look beautiful.
Oh, baby.
I think we both have like a shine to us now after that.
A glow.
Yeah, that amazing massage. But there's like salt on the floor here, and it blows in grounded up salt, and this is supposed to help if you have allergies such as yourself.
Yes,
if you flu, cold. It's also really good on your skin. I'm looking forward to this. We're in here for an hour, so I'm actually going to put the camera back outside because I don't want the salt to get on the camera. We just left the salt room. I fell asleep. It was that relaxing, but we're back to the main couple suite, and here's a look at those salt hot stones. They felt so good. You have some salt on you.
I know.
Here's a look at the robe. I have some salt on me too. It was so amazing. I came back outside on the balcony to have one more last view of Walt Disney World from the balcony. We can see Epcot. We can even see the Grand Floridian off in the distance. Look at this. You can see the entire Epcot park. Of course, the Skyliner heading over to Swan and Dolphin. We can see the Grand Destino Tower right behind Tower of Terror, Expedition Everest. We can even see Blizzard Beach right there in the middle of your screen. And of course, Pop Century and Art of Animation right there. Oh wow, look at this sunset. All right, we have changed for dinner. We are now walking over to the Hilton via the pathway. I was told it only takes about 3 minutes from Waldorf over to the Hilton for dinner tonight. And here's the walkway, but I wanted to stop and show you the sunset over the golf course at the moment. Look at that. It looks like cotton candy or bubble gum. The video definitely does not do this justice. We have made it over to the Hilton. It was about a 5-minute walk. You have the convention center right in the middle, and then Waldorf on the other side. Not bad at all. A quick fun fact, no matter if you're staying here at the Hilton or over at the Waldorf, you can come to either or pool. This one at the Hilton, they have a lazy river and a few water slides back there. We just made it in near the main lobby, and look at this. They have a Disney store. You can buy gifts and also purchase tickets. Let's go have a quick look. It just looks like a typical Disney gift shop. We are about 30 minutes early before dinner, so we stopped here at the bar inside of the main lobby here at the Hilton because we had some more drink vouchers to use, so I'm having an old-fashioned before dinner. It is now dinner time, and we are dining here at La Luce. And fun fact, this is voted the #2 restaurant in Orlando by TripAdvisor. We just made it to our table, and I love how tonight and yesterday at Bull and Bear, we walk right in, even at the spa today, like they're expecting us, like they know what Bianca and I look like. They greet us with Devin and Bianca. It's just very classy and very formal, and I like that. But they have also created a special menu, a taste of La Luce, for us to try tonight. Here's a quick look at the menu here. Now, again, this is not the regular menu, but they have put together a special menu for us to taste a little bit of what they have to offer. Can I just say how beautiful my fiance's engagement ring looks, especially in the lighting here?
Thank you, it's beautiful.
For my main drink this evening, I went with the Lemonhead, and Bianca went with the Mora Mora.
So for our beautiful appetizers, we opted for the antipasti, which is this dish right here. And then we also opted for the cauliflower salad, which is Tuscan beans, arugula, lemon, and some olive oil. So we're gonna share this.
Yum.
For our first entree today, we have this spicy shrimp, cherry tomatoes, garlic, saffron, and Pinot Grigio. This is a pasta dish, and it is called, forgive me, I'm not Italian, so I don't know if I'm saying this right, pappardelle Fantasia. Sorry if I butchered that, but look at the colossal shrimp.
Our main entrees have arrived, and Bianca went with the ravioli, which looks and smells amazing. And then I went with the pork chop, and this was marinated and braised for 3 days. While we wait for dessert, I went ahead and ordered a decaf latte. Oh, and look at this, just in time. Oh my goodness, we have a trio. Thank you. Wow.
House tiramisu. This is going to be your lemon cream cake. This is going to be our signature dessert. It is a butterscotch pudding. It's made with an actual Macallan toast. Has its own Facebook page with chocolate, sea salt, and hazelnut. When you eat it, take the toffee, dip it into the pudding.
Before we leave, here's a quick look inside of the restaurant. Very intimate and just very nice. We just got back to the room, and let's talk about dinner at La Luce. It was good. It was a very powerful menu. We got to meet the chef right at the end. The fresh homemade ravioli, and you can tell it was made fresh to order, made to order. It was phenomenal. The Lemonhead drink was great. Everything was pretty delicious. It is a 4.5-star restaurant, and it is voted number 2 in Orlando by TripAdvisor. So that restaurant is worth trying. I would recommend this place. It was good and it was delicious. And the service was pretty great too. We had a great server. I mean, he was very attentive. He knew his stuff. He knew the menu. He got to know myself and Bianca. What an incredible stay. I mean, Waldorf and the Hilton, I have not felt like this ever in my life. I felt like a VIP, and I know it's just not me. We were talking with some other guests, and we were kind of comparing things, and they treat everybody the exact same way, and I love that. The massage that we did earlier, it was phenomenal. I feel like a new man. I feel so refreshed. We both needed a massage, and the fact that the spa was open, because like I said, a lot of spas are not open right now due to the pandemic. So it's definitely worth a visit. I highly, highly recommend this place. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help out the channel in so many different ways. And if you're new here, please subscribe, because we do this quite often, and make sure you have those notifications turned on and set to always. That way you will always be notified when I release a new video or even go live. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice. Thank you so much for 100,000 subscribers. I cannot wait to celebrate with you all very soon. Have a great night in YouTube. I will see you in the next video. Prince Charming, out.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your